Yes, guys, we are in Mysuru.
We have a friendship. We have come here for studying. For go-karting. Yeah, guys, another activity. So we are here in Mysore. Pit stop in the highway where I don't know the exact location, guys. And there is arcade also, arcade games. So guys, let's go in. It's a car.
So guys, you can see here that a big space is there, and they have arranged in such a nice way that you also do come here. Now we have come here the first time, and now we'll show you there how they have arranged here, and after that we'll share all the details. Then you also can come here. Yeah. So guys, here Cheeky is very upset. Why Cheeky? Why so upset?
We thought that this was for us, but it's for 15 and above and still 10.
Actually, they came here to do this one, but unfortunately,
And Harpreet is 11 and Chiku is 6.
And what about Cheeky?
And 10.
And Cheeku is 6, 7.
6.
And now we are moving towards the place where actually kids are allowed, and we are going there. Actually, they told me to do that, but I don't want to do that one, so
Yeah, because
sorry.
my father doesn't enjoy if we are
See
not.
here, see they are enjoying here. I want to do this one, but I don't want to do because our kids are here and we are going there. So now actually I'm telling Cheeky to do this one. Why Cheeky, you are not doing this one? You can go there. It is nice, you can see.
And this is just boring, you know. It's just
Why?
so
Whether you
boring.
tried in your life any ever?
No, but it's kind of boring, and if I go something circular, then
So
it
guys,
just
we'll
feels-
see now. Well, what will be there the next
Guys,
for the
we can
Cheeky
go to the
Cheeku.
arcade.
Yeah, this is eat, sleep, game, repeat. It is here written. Now we'll see what is there actually inside. So we come here to have fun, and we will see here. So you can see here Cheeku is very excited here. Hey Cheeku, what do you want to do here? You want to take one Labubu out? You want to take the Labubu? And he is ready, and Cheeky there, she has gone there to get the ticket. And Harpreet, Prince, what you are actually thinking?
They said it's for 60, 15 above.
Hey, don't be upset, you will be definitely become 16, 26 also, even 56 and even 100. So wish you a long life.
So many games, we'll try to play some of them.
So not an issue here, the other games are there, you can enjoy here also, no problem. Okay, and Cheeku is here waiting for actually his turn here. So no problem here, lots of things are there, we'll enjoy here. Hey Cheeku, you try whether you can pick this hammer. You want and you get a trial for that. You don't want to do that one. This hammer you can take it. Take it up. Why? Wait, your turn will come soon. Hey guys, what happened? Why are you roaming here
We are
there?
buying coins to go arcade.
Okay. So guys, Cheeku has got the coin and now he'll try that one. I think you have to...
Guys, let's see what Chiku does. So guys, it's
Good.
age-wise.
Okay. It is started. Cheeku is on his turn here. Hey, pick that Labubu box. Hey Cheeku, make it right.
Guys, the chance is over.
No problem, again he can try.
So guys, it's my turn because I'm 10 and he's in the last.
Okay.
We are going
Cheeku
age-wise.
lost the game.
Age-wise.
He did not pick the Labubu here. And Cheeky is actually doing now here. The turn has started here. You can see the green. He has pressed the button green and now it has come here on the basket. But now she has to put in the way. Yes, one she has done and second one she missed here. And one more and no, it's actually not nice. And actually her score is 4 only. You can see on the board score for 6 now. And we'll see whether she will be doing more or Prince Harpreet will be doing more. So, she has got 8 chance are there and she missed that one. Time remaining is 35 minutes, 34 seconds here, 33 is running. And she has been trying and she has scored 14 here and she missed again and 26 seconds more and 5 here. Oh, nice, it was a direct hit there and oh my god, it is nice. So, remaining time is there on the board here, 26 score. She has now scored 29. Whether we'll see whether 8 seconds are remaining, whether she will score. Yes, she has scored one more time. She has tried and yes, oh no, she will see. Oh no, 1 second more and yeah, but the score was
34 guys.
okay, no problem.
Now it's
Yeah, Harpreet Prince is waiting here for his turn. You do this one, hammer one. Why you are going there?
in a class.
So we will wait.
No, they went.
Now Haripit has taken the hammer. He inserted the coin here. Now it is started. Now we see the score. Now the full energy. He is trying here and we'll see now. Oh my God! And it is. I don't know the score will be. Kindly you can guess the score. No score is coming for him. I don't know. I don't know whether it is working or not because it is simply showing here and there. The score is
0.
what the funda we are don't. I don't about think this one. But this machine is not working maybe. Come, they are calling you again for second trial. Actually the machine was not working now. They have one time only you have to hit only one single time, not 2 3 times.
Should I try the labubu?
Wait. So guys, you can see Haripit has started again here and the score. It is telling to wait and he has put again. So you see the score. Score for it is 85. So okay, we'll see whether Chiki can break this record or not.
I should do.
Yeah, you do this one. We'll see whether. Highest score was 630. I don't know whose score it was. Now, once again, 1, 2, 3 and Chiki has put and it is. What you have done, it is 5 guys, you can see it is 5 only. How much, whether you have not taken food?
No, it went there.
That was your... Do it.
No.
Kar do. Now Chiku will try again. Wait, they will tell, then you have to do. Wait. Now we'll see the score. Whose score will be more? Whether Haripit Prince or Chiki or this one time Chiku. He tried, it is 30 only, so actually winner is Haripit Prince. You did better than Chiki, you got 30, Chiki got 5 only. You have to smile. So see this boy is also doing, we'll see whether he will hit hard or not. So he's trying here and he has put so like say the score is, you can see, my God, it is running there and it is 605. Now Chiki got the lowest score there, 5 only. See, he did not actually have a breakfast that time, so I think she has become weak maybe. And now she is trying to pick the labubu, we'll see here. And she is trying here and, oh my God, she missed that one. Hey, you do it fast, your time is...
This is a scam, guys. Every single time no one gets it. This is a scam.
No, you should be attentive. You have lost the game, we cannot do anything.
Give me the bowling.
And the game has started here again with Haripit Prince and Chiki here. So we'll see who will win here. One time actually she got the success and Haripit's score was, you can see. So here the score was 1-0 because of one chance missed by Haripit Prince there and she got the success and again she's trying here and we'll see who will win the match. The game is in full actual power and see, you can see here. Again she got a success, again the score is 2-0, you can see here. Oh my God, we missed. One chance is actually won by Haripit Prince here, you can see here. The score is 2-1, you can see here. Again, she got a success. The score is 3-1 here. The score is 3-3. Yeah, the tie is there, and we'll see who will win here. Who's going to win here, you can see here. And remaining time is 126 seconds. And the score you can see here, it is 5-4. The remaining time is 7 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it's done. Time is over. Up. No, time over. Time over. The winner is Chiku. Okay, the game has started with Chiku and Haripit Prince. Hey, start. Time is getting over. It's a 0-0. Good. Do it. Fast. Very nice, Chiku. Very nice. Nicely done by Chiku and Haripit both. Good. Very now. Good target. The Haripit has scored 1, no problem. The game is keep on going there. Nice, nice, very nice. Oh, Haripit again has done second score. And it is done, the game is here. Just score 0, Chile score 0, and it's no problem, better like next time.
24 guys. I beat the highest.
So how can you score that much more? They could not hit the hammer high, but the score was so low, it's a 5 only.
Right now. I hit at the bottom, that's why.
So TK took the challenge again if you want to. Okay, we'll see here.
Guys, who will hold the point?
You only do. Inside the pocket, you keep it inside. And she has put and it's 35. What you are doing? And Chiki has come here again to score more and more, and she wants to do a higher score here. We'll see whether she will get the success or not. We'll see here. So she has started with the full energy here, and she keep on doing again and again. And we'll see later what will happen here. So she has got the highest score of 109.
I'm not in the high score.
109. So the grade we should give actually a.
How is it possible?
Yeah, it was there. Yeah. So it's a great achievement by Chiki here, guys. And now we can see here Haripit Prince has started. Now see whether he will score the highest or not. Now check it out here. You can see Haripit Prince is on fire. He is actually doing very fast here. The score is actually going more and more, and he's passing all the actually steps here. The score is getting more and more. You can see here. Now Chiku is again started here, just like Haripit Prince started here with this sort of bike here. So you can see here Haripit Prince score is going more and more. Time frame is also you can see 44 seconds to go, but his score you can see too much score here. Yeah. And Chiku here started here, and all are cheering here for Chiku here. We'll see. He's getting ready here. 1, 2, 3, and go. Oh my God! Oh my God! He's rolling and he's getting the success here, and he's going in full partnership his way. Time is over for Haripit Prince and his score. You can see the break done. Nice. And here Chiku is also doing. And his score is also doing. He's doing very dangerous biking here. Oh my God! Where is going? He's missing the road actually. Did very well. Nice. You should clap for Chiku here. Next time we'll come again and we'll do more and more. Okay. So here we can see the attacks here, Haripit Prince and Chiku and Chiki. Hi guys, and what happened? How was the actual place here? And how fun you got here?
It is the cafe of Star. So guys, this pizza, burgers, sandwiches, pasta, fried rice, steak and sizzlers and all blah blah blah, ice cream. We're not having that. Pizza. I think what do you Wait. Guys, stop it.
Okay.
They're always fighting.
No problem. This is very, they love. There is a fight also, no issue. Friends are together here for sharing, caring, and fighting everything.
Guys, so we have come back to home.
Now it's a late night, and so it was fun there. And do take care of yourself and take good care of your parents, your country, and respect each and every person. And bye, guys. Be with us forever. Love you so much.